How to measure and install an insect screen for an A&L awning chain winder window with sill adapter. Measure the width. Measure from the left side of the window jamb to the right side of the window jamb. The width measurement is 2,336 millimeters. For this situation, we deduct 2 millimeters for a manufacturing size of 2,334 millimeters. Note, the sill adapter will have the same width as the insect screen. Use custom ordering if you want a particular size. To measure the drop, measure from the bottom of the window sill, not the chain winder, to the top of the window frame. The opening size is 423 millimeters. Remember that we're installing a sill adapter to accommodate the screen and free the chain operation. Calculate your deductions carefully. In this case, it's 53 millimeters for the sill adapter plus 7 millimeters for deductions, making the screen size 363 millimeters. We're also installing at the top of the window a trim angle. Use our ordering portal to add these accessories when ordering the screen. The reason we're installing a trim angle is that A&L do not supply a window fin for the insect screen. To measure the trim angle, place the measuring tape against the left side window fin across to the right side. The angle measurement is 2,307 millimeters. Install the screen. Before installing the screen, install the trim angle at the top of the window between the two side fins using pop rivets. Pre-drill holes for the rivets and fix them off. The next step is to cut the sill adapter in the chain section to clear the chain. Use a saw to make the cut and carefully remove the piece of metal, then file the edges smooth. Squeeze the sill adapter onto the bottom of the insect screen. With the window in place, mark the push pins with Nico or whiteout and pre-drill the holes. To finish the installation, engage the pins. Clean the area and inspect the window to make sure the frame and insect mesh are intact. Congratulations! You've finished another Starline security screen installation. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.